ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ಕೋಷನ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೋಪ್ಲಾನರಿಟಿ? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 0 and this is also expected question. What are corner points? Corner points are the vertices of feasible region. Okay, now we'll go to the next question, that is integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x divided by 1 plus e per x. Interesting. So we'll take this as I. So I is what? Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x divided by 1 plus e per x dx is the problem they give. Use your brains. So now this is not odd function, this is not even function. F of minus x, f of x kodala, f of minus x minus f of x kodala. If it is odd, we would have ended the game 0 bardu, but it is odd function alla. So how to simplify? Simple. See what we'll do, we'll use a property. Minus a to b f of x can be written as a to b f of a plus b minus x. So change x to a plus b minus x. X badlige pi by 2 plus minus pi by 2 means pi by 2 minus plus x. A plus b minus x. A plus b means upper limit minus lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit. Pi by 2 plus minus pi by 2, pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus x divided by ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ e ಪವರ್ pi by 2 plus minus pi by 2 is pi by 2 minus x. Can we write? Now observe this carefully. All of you know pi by 2 minus pi by 2 will become 0. Numerator just I is integral of cos of minus x divided by 1 plus e power minus x minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Can I write like this? Now all of you know cos of minus x ಏನು? Cos x. So cos x divided by, if I e power minus x can be written as 1 by e power x. Take LCM, e power x goes to numerator divided by 1 plus e power x. I have integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Interesting. Now this is, I call it as equation 2. So now add it, I plus I. If I add I plus I, I'll have 2i. And then integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, I'll take common. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪರ್ ಇ ಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇ ಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೆ? ಇ ಪರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು? ನೌ ದ ಗೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್, ಈಗ 2i ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. 2i ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ನಾನು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಟು ಪೈ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 1 ಆರ್ಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ. 180 ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 ಬೈ ಕೋಶಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? ಎ. 2 by 1. So 2i is 2 by 1, 2. I'm using shortcut, I'm not integrating. I know integration of cos x is sin x, upper limit, lower limit, ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. What is the shortcut? Cos kx ಇದ್ದರೆ 2 by k ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 arc. 1 arc means if the difference is 180 degrees. So 90 and minus 90, the difference of upper limit, lower limit, definitely it is 180. So my shortcut holds good here. So I can apply 2i 2 ಆದರೆ I is 1. So answer is 1. Interesting. It's very interesting. So a to b f of x can be written as a to b f of a plus b minus x. A plus b means upper limit plus lower limit minus x. Pi by 2 cancels. Cos of minus x becomes cos x. And denominator e per minus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 by e per x ಬರೆದು LCM ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. You can see these two are same, only extra term is e per x here. When you add cos x by 1 plus e per x common ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This whole thing becomes 1 and this whole thing becomes e per x, cancels, and you'll get 2i is equal to this. After this you no need to integrate, we have a shortcut, quotient of x, 2 divided by quotient of x. Quotient of x is 1, 2 by 1. This is 1 arc according to me. Actually 1 arc ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 180 degrees. But if the angle difference is 180 degrees, it's a periodic function. So directly, always I tell, if the upper limit and lower limit is 180 degrees difference, the area covered will be 2 divided by quotient. I'm using that, so process is fast. Then, see now you have learned or you have solved one of the interesting question, that is integral of log of 1 plus tan theta. So same thing, that will give you pi by 8 log 2. It's a memory based result. You can do it, but it takes a lot of time. There more marks. So these are all standard questions, standard results. How to solve this? So put x as tan theta. All of you know what is 1 plus tan theta. I am assuming x as tan theta. Then the problem gets converted to standard form. 1 plus tan square theta, denominator secant square theta, numerator log of 1 plus tan theta, and dx, what is, if x is tan theta, derivative is what? Dx by d theta secant square theta, and dx will become secant square theta d theta. So dx secant square theta d theta agata, and we have to change the limits also. When x is 0, tan 0 is 0. When x is 1, theta is pi by 4. Now these two cancels. This is a problem, and you are familiar with this problem. So 1 plus log of 1 plus tan theta. Log of 1 plus tan theta agata. So log of 1 plus tan theta 0 to pi by 4. The standard result pi by 8 log 2. And you know how to solve this? Change what? Tan theta upper limit pi by 4 minus theta ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Tan 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, take LCM, then tan A by B formula will use, one constant will take it out and will integrate. Don't do all those things. So this is one of the standard NCERT worked examples. Please memorize the value, so process becomes easier. So if you know this, sometimes problems they'll give any other form, try to convert it into any one of the standard form. Last problem allu ashte, integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos x idu ನಾನು shortcut use ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Not that you don't know integration. Here we have time constraint and space constraints. So this is the thing. Then see now the general solutions for this. If you see the past entrance questions, there will be questions based on linear differential equation. We'll see, first attempt is to check whether we can convert it into linear differential equation. What is linear differential equation? Equation of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. So now I'll make dy by dx as subject. So divide by, see here I have y term. So separating the variable or making dy by dx as subject. So I'll transfer this dx to the other side. So I'll get x square dy is equal to, if I take out common dx, I'll be left out with x power 4 plus 2xy into dx. Again I'll rearrange, I'll write dy by dx is equal to x power 4 plus 2xy divided by x square. So now I can cancel these two. Definitely it is in dy by dx linear differential form. Can I write this as dy by dx? Rearrange ಮಾಡಿ x square to cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, then bring this to this side, so it will become minus y by x, that is 2y by x is equal to RHS x square. That's it. It is in the form linear differential equation. What is linear differential equation? dy by dx plus py equal to q form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. What is p? 2 minus 2 by x. What is if? Integral factor ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? e power integration of minus 2 by x dx. So that is minus 2 is constant. You will get log x, 1 by x, integration of 1 by x is log x power minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. m log a can be written as log a power m. These two cancels and 1 by x square is if. Integrating factor ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by x square. So now you know how to write the solution. So y into y by x square. So y by x square means x square quotient irade answer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. These are ruled out. So option A and C ruled out. So now we'll go to the remaining part of the solution. I hope all of you understood how to get, to make you understand, I'm writing all the steps. All steps are not required. Y into 1 by x square is equal to integration of q into, q ಏನಿತ್ತು RHS was x square, into 1 by x square into we had cos x dx. This was the RHS. All of you know the solution. What is the solution? Y into if is equal to integral of q into if dx plus c. Cancels. Y by x square. What is integration of cos x? Sin x plus c. So now what is the suitable answer? Y is equal to x square sin x. Yeah, that's it. Other technique is differentiate this, but it will be lot of, because we have to multiply the common variable, rearranging ತಲೆನೋವು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Linear differential equation first attempt linear try ಮಾಡಿ. So reason is many, see, if every term is having same degree, every term same degree is there. Same degree and see xy together will take 2. Then we can think about homogeneous. Put v is equal to y by x or x by y depending on that. First try ಮಾಡೋದು linear differential equation ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. If it works, then the process will be fast. And I am repeating, if you see the past papers of CET, they have given many times, they have given just integral factor or problem based on this. Next, area of region bounded by this line y is equal to x plus 1, x axis and ordinates. They give x coordinates minus 1 to 1. So I'll plot the graph, and it's not necessary you have to do by integration method only. So if I ask you to find area of right angle triangle, all of you are familiar, half into base into height, it will become easy, any triangle. So y is equal to 2x plus 1. Because of your linear inequalities and linear programming problem, you know graphing technique. Put x is equal to 0, you'll get y coordinate. Y coordinate ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So line cuts y axis at 1, this is 0 1, and put y equal to 0, y 0 ಹಾಕಿ 2x plus 1 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, x minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if I put y 0, 2x is equal to minus 1, x is minus 1 by 2. x ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು minus 1 by 2. Line cuts at minus 1 by 2. So line passes through these two. This is the line, this is the line, and between the ordinates x is equal to 1. So x value 1, this is 1, suppose if I assume 1, this x is equal to 1 means what? Line passing through 1 and parallel to y axis, and another line is x is equal to minus 1. So this is minus 1, means produce then this is another line. Now they want you to find the area bounded by this line and x axis, means this line, this is x axis, and these two, means you want to find this area and this area. What you can see? You can see one small triangle, one large triangle. So total required area is area of smaller triangle. What is area of smaller triangle? Half into base into height. Half into what is the base of this? Here to here. This is the height, the base, and this is the height. So now here to here half, here to here another half will be there. Half into base into height. Height means this length. And you know this line y is equal to x plus 1 cuts what? X is equal to minus 1. X ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 ಹಾಕಿ minus 2 plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. X value is what? Minus 1. And y value? What is the y value? Minus 1. Y is also minus 1. So height is 1 plus half into base into height. Simplify this. That is height. So two triangles is there. Two triangle ಗೆ half into base into height use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Graphically you can find the height. So ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ half ಇದೆ. 1 plus half 1 and half, that is 3 by 2 ಆಯಿತು. 3 by 2 ಬರ್ದೀನಿ. height ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. So this is x is equal to 1, and this is a point of intersection of this. So put x 1 ಹಾಕಿ, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So simplify this. 1 by 4 plus 9 by 4, 10 by 4, 10 by 4 is 5 by 2. Search for this. I have not integrated. Many people will do the same. If you integrate, what happens here? This is in negative part, this is in positive part. So we have to combine it, or f of x minus g of x form. See, the better method is what? Observing the graph. Graph ಹಾಕೋದು ಸುಲಭ, because drawing a line, all of you are familiar, you are doing LPP. ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವೈ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 line. What is x equal to 1? A line parallel to y axis. X equal to minus 1 is also line parallel to y axis at minus 1. So small triangle area half into base into height, big triangle area, add both, you will get the answer. So this is total area, that's it. Next, very interesting, order of the differential equation. And when we define, we'll say number of times you can differentiate depending on number of arbitrary constant ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ. If you have 2 arbitrary constants, you can differentiate 2 times. If you have 3 arbitrary constants, you can differentiate 3 times. That's what we'll teach you. But when arbitrary constants can be compressed, first we have to try whether we can compress. So we'll see this. Nodi illi, can I write y is equal to c2 plus c3 divided by c1 into e power x, a power m into n. What is a power m into n? A power m plus a power n, c4, where c1, c2, c3, 4 So this C1 is a constant, C3 is a constant, constant plus constant by constant is constant. I call this as say some constant A into e power x into e power c, e power c power 4. E power c4 is exponential constant. C4 is a constant. This into this is again constant. So can I say y is equal to this two product is k into e power x and helboda? So now how many constants we have? One alphabetic or arbitrary constant I have. So I can differentiate only once. When you see C1, C2, C3, C4, there are 4 arbitrary constants. So you can differentiate 4 times. It will become order 4 anta idನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕಂತ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 2 ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ and constant divided by constant is constant. Constant into constant is constant. It becomes single constant. So one arbitrary constant. So you can replace C1, C2, C3, 4, C4 by one arbitrary constant called K. So you can differentiate once and you can eliminate it. Then A and B are unit vectors, they told. Unit vector means what? Magnitude is 1 and see they want theta is the angle between them, they want sin theta by 2. Interesting. See if they give vectors and if they ask you, you can find, but here you can see half angle. You know 1 minus cos theta is what? 2 sin square theta by 2. So theta by 2 nodid takshana first thinking is, and whenever they give magnitude, first basic thinking is a magnitude of a plus b the whole square, magnitude of a minus b the whole square. I am using magnitude of a minus b the whole square because I am seeing sin theta by 2. You know 1 minus cos theta is what? 2 sin square theta by 2. So minus favors us in this situation. So I will take this formula, magnitude of a minus b the whole square. Very interesting is the idea, the initiation, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇದು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus cos theta. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square theta by 2. ನೀವು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2. But cos theta you can convert it into sin theta. You know one of the standard compound angle result. Sorry, one of the standard multiple angle result. So 1 minus cos theta you know 2 sin square theta by 2. I saw sin theta by 2. I'll take magnitude. And all of you know this is a beginning. You know what is magnitude of a minus b the whole square? Magnitude a square plus magnitude b square minus 2ab dot b. And further this is 1. We don't know the value of magnitude of a minus b the whole square, let it be. This is 1, this is 1, and you know a dot b, dot product of two vectors can be written as magnitude a, magnitude b cos theta. Further, magnitude of a minus b the whole square can write it as 2 minus 2. This is 1, this is 1, 2 cos theta. So what I can take common? 2. If I take common, I'll get 1 minus cos theta. So 2 into what I can write? Sin square theta by 2. This is magnitude of a minus b the whole square. Now can't you get what you want? See, my target was sin theta by 2. That's why I took minus. If it is cos theta by 2, magnitude of a plus b the whole square togoli. Illi 1 plus cos theta barutte. That's it. Now, I hope you can rearrange this. 2 ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ. Magnitude of 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. Already we have one more 2 here. So 2 into 2 is what? 4. So magnitude of a minus b the whole square divided by 4 is sin square theta by 2, and we are interested in just in sin theta by 2. What is sin theta by 2? Square root of this. When you take square root of this, it will become magnitude of a minus b divided by root 4 is 2. So magnitude a minus b vector by 2 option. I hope all of you understood. So initiation, students fail to start ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು 3Dಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2 ಇದೆ, ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. 90% ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಬೈ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಸೈನ್. ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಯೂಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸಿಚುವೇಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದೇ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2 ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ದೆನ್ 47 they told the curve is passing through 1, 2. Slope of tangent to the curve they give, it represents what they are telling. Means they have given differential equation. Differential equation we cannot decide what it represents. Convert it into a normal equation, and that to differential equation they gave in the form of statement. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಓದಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? dy by dx. is to x by y, this is given. According to me, this is what? Differential equation. How to solve differential equation? Integrate. How to integrate? Variable separable. Can I write y dy? Separate the variables. 2x into dx bari boda. Integration of y is y square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. 2 cancels. We got general solution. We want particular solution. They told x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Put it. So you'll get c value. So now in the place of y, if I put 2, 2 square by 2 is equal to 1 square plus c. So 2 cancels. 2 is equal to 1 plus c. What is c? 1, 2 minus 1, 1. You got c also. Substitute c here. If I do that, I'll get y square by 2 is equal to x square plus 1. I'll rearrange this. If I rearrange this, x square y square by 2 minus x square is equal to 1. Simple. So now you got an answer. Idರಲ್ಲಿ degrees are 2, but quotients are different. Quotient different idre circle agalla. Circle is ruled out. And 2 degree 2 idre parabola agalla. Parabola is ruled out. 2 degree 2 iddu ಒಂದು positive and negative idre it is hyperbola. There are 2 types of hyperbola. Can I call this as by 1? It's a conjugate hyperbola. Y square by 2 minus x square by 1 is equal to 1 is a hyperbola. So what is a hyperbola? So do we have answer hyperbola? Yes. You know 2 types of hyperbolas, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, which cuts x axis, y square by a square minus x square by b square 1, which cuts y axis. And do we need to do so much? No. But we need c. C decides. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಬರ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ x square y square ಆ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ if you bring it to one side, quotients opposite ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Opposite sign quotients ಇದ್ದರೆ it will be hyperbola. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. You no need to complete also. Next, they gave 3 vectors. They told one is AB, the other one is AC. Triangle ABC they did. Triangle ABC. They want median. Median, length of median from A means here to here. So how to find median length? First we should know points. See, AB ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, BC ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they gave 2 vectors. These are what? AB and AC. All of you know AB plus BC. Law of triangle of vectors. AB plus BC gives you AC. Do you agree? From that, can't you find BC? Because I want midpoint of BC. BC ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? BC will be AC minus AB. Subtract. So ಇದೆರಡು subtract ಮಾಡಿ. This is 1 minus 1 0, comma 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 5 minus 1 4. So you got 2i plus 4k. And you got BC. Midpoint of BC andre enu? Half of it. Half of it is what? 0 1 2. And you know A, position vector of A unit. So you have a format AB plus BC. Adinda A ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ. Once you get these two, apply distance formula, you get root 14, length of median. So just we are using the law of triangles. AB plus BC is equal to AC, from which you will get BC midpoint, you know, vector B, vector BC, or you can rearrange. Again you can use law of triangle of vectors for this and get it. Then you find AM. After you find AM, you convert it into magnitude. How to find magnitude of a vector? Root of A square plus B square plus C square. So you will get root 14 there. Then point lies in which octant? Very easy question that has been appeared. Octant, you know, space is divided into octants. Simple. So I'll write all the points x, y, z in 3 dimension. All of you are familiar with the quadrants. It will take 10 seconds to draw this table. Logic of table, if you know, it will take 10 seconds to draw this table. X, y, z. So octants means what? 8 octants. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th. Do you agree? All of you know quadrants ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. Quadrants ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? First 4 quadrants. Plane is divided into first 4 quadrants ಅಂತ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೀ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ 20 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. So you know quadrant, right? Here plus plus point. Second quadrant minus plus. Third quadrant both are minus. Fourth quadrant plus minus. Any doubts? Easily we know this, we wrote. And repeat this, ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ 8ಗೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4 ಝಡ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 4ಕ್ಕೆ ಝಡ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 1 2 3 4 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಅನದರ್ 4 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. Now you see the point. Point is positive, negative, positive. Positive, negative, positive. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್? 6th ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ 6th ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 2 3 ಸಾರಿ 4th ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್? 4th ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 4th ಆಕ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಟೇಬಲ್? plus plus minus, first 4 quadrants you fill, repeat them. First 4 z positive bariri, next 4 plus z negative bariri. So plus minus plus is what? 4. So 4th octant. That's it. Simple, easily scoreable. They have given, it's in introduction of 3D of first PUC. Now they give vectors. They told coplanar, you know, condition for coplanarity. What is the condition for coplanarity? Determinant value is 0. So 2 3 4 2 1 1 lambda 1 2 determinant 0. Solve this, you will get lambda as 6. All of you know how to expand 3 cross 3 determinant. 2 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into, delete this, go on, you will get 6 for sure. Then so these are, see, when you see 3-dimensional geometry and vector questions, they was pretty direct, but this is one of the interesting questions. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಬೋರ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಳಸಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ನೋ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ? 1. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೊ ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಬಿ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೀಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಎ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಡಾಟ್ ಬಿ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ is equal to magnitude a square magnitude b square. So many students will start deriving this. ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸುಲಭ. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್. So now what is given, you substitute. What is required, you find out. So a cross b whole square, see this LHS ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So this value is 144. In LHS can I put 144? Magnitude a they gave 6, but I want square, then magnitude b square. Solve for b square. So 144 divided by 6 square is magnitude b square. So always this kind of question or problem related with relation between cross product and dot product is a general question even in JEE as well as in CET. That's what I have been saying. If you see the past board papers, because students will not memorize this, they'll start deriving it where their time is gone. And it is easy. Sin square theta plus cos square theta format ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, rearrange ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, cross product magnitude square plus dot product magnitude square is magnitude a square magnitude b square. So now magnitude b square ಬೇಕು. 144 divided by 6 square. 6 square is 36. Simplify this, we'll get one of the answers. So now 12 3s are 12 12s are 3 1s are 3 4s are, answer is 4. Yes, we have. Interesting and easy. Then okay, let me start with the problem 52. First, recognize what is vectorian. Angle between line and plane, you know, sin psi is equal to b dot n divided by, you know the formula, sin psi ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ, b dot n divided by magnitude b magnitude n. See, maximum papers in past entrance they have asked question based on this. So now what is n? Put ijk, 2i cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. And what is b? 3i cap. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, y quotient is negative. First rewrite it. Can I write it as y minus 3 by positive 4? Because standard form of line ಏನು, x minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b. x, y, z quotient so always should be positive. So now this is b, 4j plus 5k. Now do dot product. What is dot product? 2 into 3 6 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 5 1s are 5 divided by magnitude of this. Magnitude of b 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 16 plus 9 20, 25 50, root 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And this will become 2 square 4, 2 square 4, 1 square 1. All of you know how to find magnitude of a vector. So now sin psi is equal to 6 plus 5 11. In 11 if you remove 8 we will get 3 divided by 50. Root 50 can be written as 5 root 2 and this is 3. cancels, we got the answer. Answer is 5 by root 2, sine of angle they want. So when I observe, our answer does not match. So rationalize this, divide and multiply by root 2. Numerator becomes root 2, denominator 5 into root 2 into root 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, root 2 by 10. Check whether we have this. Yes, one of the important problem. And angle between line and plane is simple and direct, formula based. Yes, but here what is the hint? So y quotient positive ಇರಬೇಕು. They have given a problem where line is not in standard form. Cartesian form of line is what? X minus x1 by a equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus z1 by a. Cartesian form ಅಲ್ಲಿ xyz quotients ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು. So this is the thing. Then a line makes an angle pi by 3 with x axis and y axis each. Acute angle. All of you know sum of the squares of direction cosines is 1. We can use this. Why I can use this? Because they told angle made by the line or vector with x, y, z axis, we call it as alpha, beta, gamma, and sum of the squares of direction cosines is 1. So it makes pi by 3. What is cos pi by 3? Cos 60. What is cos 60? Half. So this is half. They give alpha pi by 3 and beta pi by 3. They are asking you what is gamma. Alpha andre ಏನು? Angle made by the line with x axis. Beta, angle made by the line with y axis. Gamma, angle made by the line with z axis. And we know sum of the squares of direction cosines is 1. And this is also an expected question. In entrance always they are asking you relation of direction cosines. This relation you should remember. What is that? Cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is 1. So 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square plus cos square gamma we don't know is equal to 1. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is half. Transfer half to that side. 1 minus half is half. So cos square gamma is half. And cos gamma is 1 by 2 under root plus or minus. So 1 by root 2 plus or minus. They want acute angle, angle less than 90. So pi by 4. Cos gamma 45 degrees. Cos gamma 1 by root 2 bantu. If cos gamma is 1 by root 2, what is gamma? Gamma is pi by 4. Simple and direct. So I hope all of you understood. This is important. What is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma? 1. Where alpha, beta, gamma are the angle made by the vector are lined with x, y and z axis, and we call them as direction cosine squares. So square of sum of the squares of direction cosines is 1. Then distance of this point from this line, interesting and important. Distance of point from plane you have learnt. So now any point on this line I'll equate it to lambda and I'll get x, y, z. X ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x minus 3 by 2 lambda equate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you'll get x. X is what? 2 lambda plus 3. So one of the point on the line will be in the form x, y, z. X is 2 lambda plus 3. Similarly, equate these two. You'll get y is equal to what? 3 lambda plus 3. And z is equal to what? 6 lambda minus 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You got x, y, z. And we want distance from here. 1 to minus 4. And these are perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to with this line. And for this line, direction ratios are 2, 3, 6. And you know, if two lines are perpendicular, product of direction ratios is 1. How to find direction ratios for these two? Subtract 2 lambda minus 1 and the other one is 2 lambda plus 3 minus 1. 2 lambda plus 3 minus 1 becomes plus 2 into 2 plus y coordinate. 3 lambda plus 3 minus 2, 3 lambda plus 1 into 3 plus 6 lambda minus 5 plus 4, 6 lambda minus 1 into 6 is equal to what? 0. If two lines are perpendicular, then the product of a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2 is 0. You know that. Solve it. You'll get lambda is equal to minus 1 by 49. After you get lambda, substitute lambda here and apply distance formula. You'll get root 293 by 7. First you should get a point on the line. Then this is other point. Apply distance formula, you'll get the answer. Then, so this is the shaded region. So in the graph, this is the feasible region. And they want maximum value of z. Please understand, maximum or minimum occurs or optimal solution will be in feasible region. Feasible region is this. This is one point of intersection. Point on y-axis 2. That's it. These are not feasible regions. So these are not corner points. So to get maximum or minimum, you know, you have to substitute only corner points. Corner points you have to. So these two and this. So please understand, point on x-axis is not a corner point. So point on x-axis is this is not a corner point. And how to get this? See, they have not given scale. So how to get this? Solve the simultaneous equations. They give two lines. Solve the two lines. One x plus y is equal to 5 ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x plus 3y is equal to 9. Solve this equation. Subtract them. So you'll get minus 2y is equal to minus 4 or y is equal to 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So put this y is equal to 2 in any one equation. So x plus 2 is equal to 5. So x is 3. So point of intersection is 3 comma 2. Now corner points means you can put this, and one point from this I can approximate. One is 0, 5 is also a point, and this is not a point of intersection. This is the point of intersection. This is our corner point, and this is also our corner point. This is not my corner point. Don't check it because it's a point on x-axis. You see shading ellide nodi. So all of you know what is feasible region. Common region determined by all the constants including non-negative constant. This is feasible. Your maximum or minimum we have to find here. So then 33, 3 comma 3 is not. So I have to check whether these two, in these two only. So now zn ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 11x plus 7y ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ. You cannot put any point, you can put only corner points. What are corner points? Corner points are the vertices of feasible region. Feasible region ಅಂದರೆ this shaded region. Common region ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಈಗ I'll put 0 comma 5, 11 into 0 plus 7 into 5, I'll get 35. So this is at 0 comma 5. I'll put another one 3 2 3 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ that is equal to 11 into 3 plus 7 into 2, 33 plus 14, 33 plus 14 will be more than 35. They want you to find where does maximum occurs. 3 comma 2 is my answer because 33 plus 14 will be more than 35. So this is the answer. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. 3 3 ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. 3 3 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. 3 3 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫೀಸಿಬಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೈ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. ಒಂದು ಇದೆರಡು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ 3 comma 2 gives you maximum. That's it. Then they give condition for P minimum of Z occurs at 2 points. Minimum of Z occurs at 2 points. Interesting. Nodra ಈಗ I have conducted a test. Minimum marks is 12. For 25 marks, minimum 12 means minimum scored is 12. It may be scored by one student or many students, but minimum value is only 1. So minimum occurs at 2 means, so Z at 3 0 and Z at 1 1 is same anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. This is also giving minimum. This is also giving minimum. For one function we'll have one minimum, but that minimum can occur more than 1 point. So now substitute 3 0 in this. So Z in the place of x and y, if I put 3 and 0, I'll get 3p. ಹೌದಾ. 3 into and q into 0 gives you 0. 1 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ p into 1 plus q into 1. So 3p is equal to p plus q. So p ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2p is equal to q. And they want p ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ q by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We have this. This is the answer. So minimum of a function is a fixed value. It's a constant. It will not vary. So minimum may occur at more than 1 point. Minimum is occurring here. Substitute this point in the objective function. You know, objective function means a function which we need to maximize or minimize. Similarly, you put here also, solve it, you'll get the value. Next, interesting. According to me, if observation says that A and B are independent, are they not? Because P of A intersection B ಏನಿದೆ 1/6 ಇದೆ. P of A, P of B multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1/3 into 1/2. I can make out this. P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. Interesting. I can decide A and B are independent. You know one of the condition. If A and B are independent, P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B. ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So according to me, they are independent. If they are independent, their complements are also independent. A B independent ಆದರೆ A dash B dash is also independent, and A dash and B are also independent. So when these two are independent, first you learn how to read this. How to read this? Probability of A dash given B occurred. When they are independent, whether this occurs or not, it will be same as P of A dash. That's all. No, ಎರಡು events independent ಆದರೆ probability of one does not depend on other. So now P of A when given B occurred is P of A only. So P of A dash when B occurred is P of A, and see this says A and B independent. If A and B are independent, A dash and B also will be independent. You can check. So now this is 1 minus P of A. That's it. P of A dash is what? 1 minus P of A. 1 minus what is P of A? Again 1 minus A ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 1 by 3. Solve it. You'll get 2 by 3. Fastest. Generally what they'll do, P of A dash by B is equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B ಬರೀತಾರೆ. That will be a lengthy process. So what is the conclusion? A and B are independent ಅಂತ identify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How? So they gave this and they gave this. When I multiply these two, 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 6 and this. They are independent. If A and B are independent, A dash and B also will be independent. If this is independent, probability of occurrence of this does not depend on this. So P of A dash by B is same as P of A dash. P of numerator. So P of A dash and 1 minus P of A. You will get the answer faster and better. One of the interesting tip I told there. A die is thrown 10 times. The probability that an odd number will come up at least one time. At least one time means, can I say at least one means P of X should be greater than or equal to 0. 1 or more. But you know, some of the probabilities is 1. Some of the probabilities is 1. Can I tell at least P of at least 1? P of X greater than or equal to 0 andre I'll take P0 plus P1 plus so on. So you know P0 plus P1 plus P2 P10 is what? 1, right? At least 1 means 1 or more, E part. So you transfer that side. That will become what? P1 to P10 is 1 minus P of 1 minus P of 0. So it will become 1 minus P of 0. 1 minus P of 0 means what? NC0. N means what? 10. 10C0. P half. Probability of getting odd number is 1 by 2. Even number is 1 other 1 by 2. Into half power 10 minus 0. Simplify this. 1 minus NC0 is 1. All of you know. This will become 10 half power 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Simplify this. 10C0 is 1. 1 divided by 2 power 10. 1 by 1024. And 1 minus we have. 1 minus, simplify this, 1 minus ಮಾಡಿ 1 minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 minus 1 by 1024 you take LCM, so it will become 1023 divided by 1024 1023 divided by 1024. Hope all of you got this. So sum of probabilities is 1. At least 1 means what? 1 or more. P1 to P0. Transfer this. So P1 to P0 is 1 minus P0, or directly P of X0 is this. P0 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get this, subtract it, you will get the answer. Interesting and simple. Next. Okay, now we'll go ahead with other question. So they want you to find the probability of solved by any two. Any two means what? AB but not C, BC but not A, like that. So directly can I say they want you to find AB but not C plus BC but not A plus AC but not B. That's it. So they are independently anta ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So therefore product, so P of A intersection B is P of A into P of B, like that. This it will become product. A is 1 by 2, B is 1 by 4, not C is 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. B is 1 by 4, C is 1 by 3, not A means 1 minus half is half. A 1 by 2, C 1 by 3, not B means 1 minus 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 ಮಾಡಿ. So 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Simplify this. So I can cancel these two. I have 1 by 12. I can, here nothing cancels, 1 by 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Plus here I can cancel these two. I'll get 1 by 8. So 12, 24, 8. LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. So for 12, 24 and 8, you can take LCM. I'll take 24. 12 2s are 12 ones are 24 ones are and 8 threes are. So 3 plus 2 6 by 24. 6 by 24 is what? 1 by 4. Do we have 1 by 4? Yes. Interesting. So they told probability that problem is solved by any two. Any two means AB but not C, BC but not A, AC but not B. And what is B dash? 1 minus B. That's it. Then, so last question, use regular base theorem. So base theorem use ಮಾಡಿ. So base theorem use ಮಾಡಿ, substitute ಮಾಡಿ. So they have given P of E2 by A. P of E2 by A is given. So you can write any event in terms of conditional probability. Use the formula and substitute. LHS will become 1 by 2, RHSL 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 divided by 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 plus whatever is required. So here we'll have E2 no ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ 1 by 2 into x. Solve for this x, rearrange ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 1 by 2. That's it. So by this I have done all the problems of 2020 CET paper. Thanks for watching. Thank you.